In today's production lines, the human-machine interface plays an important role. It's used to display the status, alerts, and complete production data of the entire production line. However, as production lines expand, HMI projects also grow larger. It's fairly common for large HMI projects to contain many distinct but similar pages, so you can imagine how tedious it would be to configure all of them. To solve this problem, use Wintext template feature, which lets you reuse screen designs. How does template work? First, start with a page, decide what goes into it, and then set it as a template. When the same design is needed, find that template and add it to the editing canvas. Finally, use the built-in function to replace text and address tags in bulks. Voila! This page is almost done. For the rest of the project, simply repeat the process. And by following this pattern, you can quickly configure numerous HMI pages. We believe that using the template feature will help you complete your HMI project development in a more flexible and expedited manner.